Okay.
Maar wie gaat er?
Yeah.
Eerst Marieke en dan ik?
No, I'll do you first.
Oh,
okay,
okay.
ready? Yeah, you'll go first. Okay. Just a thought. Hi guys, I'm Javin.
I'm Michelle.
And I'm Marieke.
And this is our Christmas dance tutorial. You might be confused, but we do after all have 2 Christmas dances up this year. This is our more cheerful choreography to Ariana Grande. This choreography will be mirrored for your convenience, so it's easy to learn. So go ahead and take some space. And we're going to start off sitting in a very girly pose this way. So look at them please, not me. We're going to go here and we're going to bounce up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy peasy. Then we're going to shift through. 1, crossover 2, step back 3, open 4, 5, front, and then you walk front 7, 8. And use your left hand to hit your hip out. Boom. And you can use your head as well. 3 and 4. So again, that's step, step, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come back. 5 and 6. Return 7 and 8. Now here you want to use your hand to start the move, so you throw it in. You go and 1. Okay? So again from here, throwing your left hand in and 1, push 2, scoop 3, open 4 to the right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 in this position. Now you're going to groove it through 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to walk it. You're going to starting on right and 5 and 6, coming back over with right, 7 and 8. Very good. Let's do that one more time, guys. So you start off here and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, over 1, and 2, push 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, step 7, and 8. Very good, that's halfway. Hello, Shana. Moving on, we're going to go to the second part, and you're going to start with the fosse move where you go right and left. And it's actually a samba hip for the ladies, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Make sure you lead with the elbow and not so much with the wrists. Otherwise you get something like this, but you really want to flow from the arms going back and forth. After fosse, we're going to pony on right, 1 and 2. Then you're going to pony left, 3 and 4. Then you're going to step open, open, step out, down, and throw your hip out, right, again, there. So now your hip is to the right. Now you're going to bring your left hand front and your right hand front for kick, step, open, back, kick, step, down. And you're going to be all the way down. You're going to come back up, hip, hip, hip. Let's do that part again. That's a little bit much at one go. So you've gone fosse right, fosse left, and your hips go samba right, samba left. You pony right, you pony back. You go high, you go low, right and right. Back with left and down and up and down, up, 6 and 7 and 8. From here, we're going to go to the right, step once shoulder, and then pop your shoulder twice, back, tuck. Now go to the left, once, double, hip, hip. Roll your wrists, 1, step, count down here, step, and on the last move, you're going to push back, push, drop your arm. Your right shoulder is going to pop right, bam. Your left shoulder is going to pop up, and now your right shoulder is going to pop, but it's going to pop towards your left, that way, right? So you go right, left, bum, like that, and not so much like this, okay? So one more time, from here, you push back, push, right shoulder, right to the left, cross, then you turn, ladies do the pirouettes, guys pose, boom, that easy. Okay, All right, let's go from the second part a second. So from the fosse bit, all in a row. 7, 8, fosse right, to the left, fosse right, to the left. Now pony right, pony left, and up, down, right, front, and back, and up, and down, up, right, down. Here, and shoulder, double shoulder, and roll, and down. Here we go. Push, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Step and stand, turn, turn, pose. If you're ready, you can click the original video and you can dance with us there. But for now, we're going to do it here, half tempo and mirrored, so you can dance this way. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cross, 2, open, 3, front, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, groove it out. And step, step, and back, and fosse, back, 1, and now it comes to pony. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and down, back up, 6, 7, 8, shoulders, 1, double, single, double, roll, hands, now push, push, shoulder, 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 here and stand, turn, and pose. And that does it for our Christmas dance tutorial, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you had a great time. We love doing this type of stuff. So from everyone here at Team Cirque-it, a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and remember to stay subscribed, and see you in 2019. Bye, everybody! A couple of stumbles on the way, but... All right, that's fine. Go, ready, go for it. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas!